Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create new password in Instagram if forgot password. For that you will have to launch your Instagram mobile application, and once you are on this type of page you will have to tap on forgot password. Afterwards it will ask you to provide your username, email address or your phone number so that it could find your account. So over here you will have to provide your account's username in this section, and then you need to press continue. Once done, it will show you your profile picture, and if it is the correct account, you will have to press continue. It will also say that they are going to send a verification code on your registered email address. So if you don't know about your registered email address as well, then you can tap on try another way. Afterwards, you will have to select the second option which says get code or link via email, and then you need to press continue in the bottom. Once done, you will be redirected on the next page, which will say that they have sent a confirmation code on your email address. So you need to launch your email address where you are going to get your confirmation code. After that, you will have to provide that confirmation code over here, and then you need to press continue. Once done, it will ask you to create a new password. So in this section, you need to start typing your new password, and then you need to press continue. Once you do this, you will be successfully logging into your account as you have successfully reset your password. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.